Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 5 best hand mixers 2021, available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best hand mixers 2021. Number 1. Breville Handy Mix Scraper Hand Mixer, https://amazon.to/3npb1hs. Beater IQ Technology. Whether you're whisking cream or kneading dough, the Handy Mix Scraper detects which attachment you're using and automatically recalibrates to the perfect speed. Quiet scraper beaters, no clinging or clanging in your kitchen. The rubber scraper beater maximizes contact with the bowl while minimizing sound, to ensure you incorporate all ingredients for more thorough mixing. 9-speed settings, 9 speeds plus boost to ensure precise speed for your mixing load. Comfortable design, an ergonomic handle creates a natural hand position so mixing never feels like a chore. Compact storage, a detachable storage compartment houses all the attachments and swivel cord so you'll love this mixer even when it's turned off. Accessories, 2 scraper beaters, 2 dough hooks, 2 balloon whisks. Construction materials, plastic external housing with chrome accents. Number 2, Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-Speed Handheld Mixer, https://amazon.to/38sdkmr. Handheld mixer with 220-watt motor and automatic feedback. Simple on/off button, 1-touch speed control and 9 speed options, BPA-free. 3 low start speeds to prevent ingredients from splattering, snap-on clear storage case. Includes beaters, chef's whisk, dough hooks, spatula, and instruction/recipe book. Product built to North American electrical standards. Note: refer the user manual before use. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 3, KitchenAid Ultra Power 5-Speed Hand Mixer, https://amazon.to/3ovx. 5 speeds, mix ingredients for a variety of recipes from slowly stirring in chunky ingredients, like nuts or chocolate chips, at speed 1 to whipping egg whites or heavy cream at speed 5. Lock the cord into either the left or right side of the mixer so you can approach ingredients from any angle. The round cord is easy to wipe clean. Easily and quickly remove any accessory from the hand mixer with the single-handed press of a button. The stainless steel turbo beater 2 accessories are ideal for mixing heavy ingredients. Dishwasher safe. 1-year hassle-free replacement warranty. Number 4, Braun Multi-Mix Hand Mixer, https://amazon.to/3sc9wtz. 50% more power. 350 watts of power beats the ingredients in the competition. Wattage and mixing effort, mixing cake batter, external tests, compared to leading competitors. Half the mixing effort. Smart Mix technology delivers an inline vertical motor design that shifts the weight of the mixer out of your hand and into the bowl. Mixing effort, mixing cake batter, external tests, compared to leading competitors. Quick cleanup. Easy Clean design has a completely sealed system, so nothing gets inside the housing, and dishwasher safe parts make cleaning easy. One-handed Vario control. A simple turn of the Vario control speed dial is all it takes to adjust the speed while you mix, and the touch of a button lets you switch between accessories. Attachments for every task. Multi-whisk, both whisk and beater in one, create volume for light, airy mixtures. The sturdy dough hooks are perfect for homemade bread and pizza. Comfortable control and ergonomic, super soft grip keep you comfortably in control. Number 5, Oster Heat Soft Hand Mixer, https://amazon.to/2kp, MKQ3. This hand mixer softens with heat while mixing, allowing you to bake at a moment's notice, with fluffier results than mixing with non-room temperature ingredients. Softens butter 12x faster by using innovative heat-soft technology to bring cold butter to room temperature quickly compared to leaving butter out on the counter for 30 minutes. This 270-watt mixer offers 7 speeds for versatility, and even gives you an extra burst of power when you need it with a one-touch boost at the touch of a button. Mixer comes equipped with durable full-size beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk, so you can tackle a variety of baking projects. The convenient one-touch beater eject lever lets you remove beaters without getting messy, so they can go straight into the dishwasher. Beaters, dough hooks, and whisk are hand wash only. Comes with a convenient case for storage and portability. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So these are the best hand mixers 2021, which you can buy in this year. If you know any other best hand mixers 2021, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.